Hi, Murray Potts and Sam Rathod. We are excited and privileged to be here today at 35 Lucknow Terrace, a wonderful Khandallah 1930s home. Come and join us and take a look through.
This beautiful home is a blend of traditional character with modern family living. We don't want to show you too much as you really need to visit to see for yourselves what a fantastic opportunity this is.
So call us for a private viewing or come along to one of our open homes. We look forward to seeing you then.